Hey guys, it's Emily. Today I want to share with you the bareMinerals Blemish Rescue Skin Clearing Loose Powder Foundation. It has a full coverage formula with ultra lightweight mineral pigments to keep my acne prone skin calm, clear, and covered all day. This is the only loose powder foundation with salicylic acid, so it really helps to fight that acne while also covering it. It has a blemish busting mineral complex that absorbs excess oil, gently exfoliates, and helps purify the skin. I'm going to prep my skin with Blemish Rescue Anti-Redness Mattifying Primer. Now I'm ready for foundation. And I'm going to apply my foundation with this amazing seamless buffing brush with antibacterial charcoal. Some other brushes just have a charcoal coating, but this brush is really unique because each bristle is infused with activated charcoal that won't wash away no matter how many times you clean your brush. To apply the foundation, tap a little bit of product into the cap, and then swirl the brush in the cap to activate the minerals. Tap off the excess product, and then buff the product onto the skin. This foundation is so great because it's full coverage, has a matte finish, and did I mention, it's super gentle on the skin. It comes in an amazing range of shades, so you'll be able to find the perfect match for your skin tone. I love the way my skin looks with this foundation, and the best part is it's helping to treat my acne over time.